So this is Fisherman's Wharf in Victoria, Canada.
Starting to feel a little bit.
We're just going to take a quick browse around. So, licensed area, maximum occupancy 40. So it's a bunch of restaurants. Pizza, fish and chips, Mexican seafood. Goes down there a little bit further, not much. Goes over there a little bit further, not much. And then out on these walkways, piers or whatever, people live. They're floating. They're floating. And they're tied up. Elvis sighted at Casa de Nancy. Private homes. Privates privés. And some of them are different looking than others. Some of them even have dolphins. Ooh. So, that's a 3-story, maybe? Anyway, there's some over there and there's some on the next one. See, they go and they go and they go. And everybody wants to come down and see it. Water taxi. Beyond this point, you are under the Pacific Ocean. So, that's Fisherman's Wharf in Victoria, Canada. A little quick visit. Bye.
See you next time.
Or in the next port.
Maybe.